The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is our top pick for the best robot vacuum and mop combo under $500, offering strong 10,000 PA suction and efficient floor mapping. For those looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, here's our countdown of the top 5 robot vacuum and mop combos under $500. At number 5, the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is the pick for buyers who prioritize extremely strong suction power, with its 19,000 PA capability making it suitable for homes with pets and large debris. The Clean Chop Anti-Tangle brush reduces hair wrapping, and the dual rotating mop pads provide active scrubbing with 32 adjustable water levels. The fully automated dock empties the dustbin, refills water and cleaning solution, washes the mop pads and dries them afterward. Owners praise the fast mapping, strong vacuuming, and effective mopping, as well as the easy-to-use app. However, the clean and dirty water tanks are relatively small, requiring frequent refilling and emptying. Additionally, the RGB camera and microphone may be a concern for privacy-conscious buyers. With a price around $449, the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is a good option for those who value powerful suction and automated cleaning, but may not be the best choice for those with large homes or concerns about camera-based navigation. The iRobot Roomba Plus 405 comes in at number 4, offering a reliable and efficient cleaning experience with its dual spinning mop pads and AutoWash dock. The dock automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them, reducing routine maintenance. Owners praise the effective pet hair pickup, good navigation, and customizable cleaning modes. However, the deep clean operation and carpet cleaning can be loud, and some owners have experienced navigation issues and app synchronization problems. With a price around $398, the iRobot Roomba Plus 405 is a good option for those who value ease of use and customizable cleaning, but may not be the best choice for those with very thick carpets or concerns about noise levels. At number 3, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is a strong contender, offering 8,000 PA suction and dual rotating mop pads for active scrubbing. The all-in-one station automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them, reducing routine maintenance. Owners praise the effective pet hair pickup, good navigation, and customizable cleaning modes. However, the auto-empty cycle can be loud, and some owners have experienced issues with the base station dirty water drainage and navigation. With a price around $450, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is a good option for those who value efficient cleaning and automated maintenance, but may not be the best choice for those with very large homes or concerns about noise levels. The DREAME L10's Ultra Gen 2 comes in at number 2, offering strong 10,000 PA suction and duo scrub dual rotating mop pads for active scrubbing. The all-in-one base station automatically empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills clean water, reducing routine maintenance. Owners praise the effective pet hair pickup, fast mapping, and customizable cleaning modes. However, the Dreamy Home app can feel clunky at first, and small cables and charging cords can still cause the robot to get stuck. With a price around $380, the DREAME L10's Ultra Gen 2 is a good option for those who value powerful suction and automated cleaning, but may not be the best choice for those with very large homes or concerns about app usability. At number 1, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is our top pick, offering strong 10,000 PA suction and efficient floor mapping with LiDAR. The Vibra Rise 2.0 sonic mopping can handle light spills and routine floor maintenance, and the self-emptying dock significantly reduces routine maintenance. Owners praise the reliable daily cleaning, efficient straight-line navigation, and easy app control. However, the water tank must be refilled manually, and the mop pad requires manual cleaning and preparation. With a price around $330, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is an excellent option for those who value efficient cleaning, ease of use, and a relatively affordable price point. For the most up-to-date pricing and details, be sure to check the link in the description. In conclusion, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is our top pick for the best robot vacuum and mop combo under $500, offering a great balance of cleaning performance, ease of use, and value. For those with larger homes or a need for more advanced features, the DREAME L10's Ultra Gen 2 is a strong alternative. Remember to check the links below for current pricing, as prices may change.